Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'll be making the chili garlic noodle recipe. Please keep subscribing to my channel, like this video if you enjoy it, comment down below any suggestions if you have. I'll definitely consider it. Continue watching.
So first we'll add water to boil. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. And once this comes to a boil, add the noodles. You can also adjust the water depending on the quantity of the noodles. Keep stirring once a while so it doesn't stick to the vessel. Once this is boiled, you can strain the water and rinse it with cold water so it doesn't become sticky. So next I'll be using spring onions. Chop this finely. I've taken around 12 to 15 pods of garlic. Now once this is done, this is for the chili sauce. So I've added chilies over here in the water. So once these are become nice and soft, you can turn off the flame. Once this is boiled, you can cut the stem. Add it in a blender along with 4 to 5 pods of garlic. Add a little bit of water and salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. I've also added extra chili powder to make it more spicy. You can adjust according to your taste. Once this is done, you can blend it to a fine paste. Then I'll add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. First we'll fry the garlic in that. Saute it well. Then you can add the spring onions. I'm saving few to garnish it later on. Now add the chili garlic paste. I'll also add a bit of water. Now after sauteing this for around 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the noodles. Stir this well. Now in a separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, sesame seeds, salt as per taste. Also I've added veg Maggi cube instead of MSG. Now add this to the noodles and stir it well. And that's it, it's done. Once this is done, garnish it with some spring onions and you can enjoy it. Thanks for watching.